Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing a little bit of makeup and a little bit of hair. Like guys, I haven't done my hair in like for three months because my hair was a little bit dry and I just didn't want to touch it, and I was a little bit frustrated because I didn't have any products to put in my hair. I didn't have any shampoo, I didn't have any conditioner, I didn't have any moisturizer. The only thing that I was putting in my hair was Vaseline and sometimes almond oil. No moisturizer, nothing. Yeah, and I didn't have any products, so I ordered some products and they came very fast. I was shocked, so I saved some money, ordered some hair care products, that some of the products that I normally use and so forth. So today we're gonna use our edge control. This is my Aqua edge control, and I'm also going to be using Got to Be Glue gel, the white one, to sleek my hair further. All right guys, my hair is going through it. It's still going through it. My hair grew. My hair it still looks, you know, it's still healthy in terms of the texture, but the amount of time that I cut this hair in the space of 3 months, like every time that I go to wash my hair, I have to cut. So I don't know. And guys, my hair is fine. My hair is it's a little bit not so thick, and also it is not soft. It looks soft, but it's not soft. It's very dry. Yeah, and as soon as the water hits my hair, it just sucks it up, and then a couple minutes later it just gets dry, my hair texture. So we're gonna go in with our soft touch or Aqua edge control, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of the gel. So I'm just squeezing out what I need on here, and then we're gonna take small portions. As you can see, we're using the edge control edge wax right now to just define the part, because the part is a little bit janky. I'm kind of doing like a swoop, but not really a swoop, more like a side part. It's not really a swoop because I didn't really want any hair in my face. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I layer my hair, and I know that you know that I'm good for layering my hair just to ensure that, you know, it lasts for at least 2 days. And so long I usually wear my hair in like a ponytail, wash it out, and then immediately move on to the next installation. Basically. And as I said before, I haven't been wearing braids or anything for the past 3 months, just to give my hair a break, and also because I didn't have really much product to actually do a hairstyle. But now we got our products. I'm gonna start treating it again. Hopefully by this summer it will be better, and every time that I wash my hair, I'm going to be cutting like the ends, you know, trim it and so forth. And my edges, guys, don't worry, we're working on it. Like, we're working on it. Like, I don't expect it to be amazing in the future, just I want it to be a little bit more fuller, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, let me just stop the talking, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And when we're ready for the makeup, I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so now we're ready for our hair. This is my is this Marley braid or just maybe a jumbo braid or something? I don't even remember the name. Yeah, but this is just the twist, the afro twist. Yeah, afro twist. So I'm just basically using an elastic band. You know, it's already wrapped around the hair, so I'm just wrapping that around my natural hair, and then I'm just going to play with it, fluff it out a little bit, and then I'm going to take a piece of this, the afro twist, and I'm going to wrap it around my bun now to secure it further, and then that is it for the hair, and we're going to move right into the makeup. All right, so let us get a nice little transition. So today we're gonna be using two new products. Nothing, you know, yeah. Like guys, I haven't filmed makeup in a while, okay? So this is my Pro MUA base. This is a new foundation that I just recently got, like maybe a week or two ago. I got it, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just applying the foundation. What I noticed with this foundation, it's matte. Okay, it's matte. It's similar to my Il Makiage foundation, but it's matte. You know what I'm saying? And it's a nice foundation too. I like it, but I was trying to, apply my concealer and everything, just leave it to sit a little bit before applying the foundation, or before before finishing blending. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Before I finish blending out the concealer or foundation, I wanted the concealer to sit there, but that was a big mistake because this foundation dries too fast. All right, yes, so you have to work really fast, so it's almost like a little, I had a little glitch with my makeup in a sense. But the powder from Pro MUA is really nice. I love the coverage, I love the color, it just blends really nicely with my complexion. This one is in 182. Yeah, I think 182. So that's the foundation color, or the powder color. So it's a nice blend, or nice color for me. One thing I really think I need I really need like a contour shade. Yes, a contour shade. But the reason why I was having like difficulties with my makeup today was because, it's new. Like the foundation was, it's a matte foundation. I should have, use something else, but it's very matte, so you can't allow this foundation to stay dry and all of that, trying to, yeah. But this is my black opal powder in Invisible, and then we're gonna go in with the contour shade. I just want to get to the contour shade because my face was looking a little bit, cray. So I just wanted to add some color, so we went ahead, added the color in the areas that we needed color. Yes, we just started to blend. Plus I was like trying to hurry up because I had plans this evening to do something, and good thing, everything went well. Like we did everything on time, we did our makeup and everything went well, so that was good. So this is like a shade from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. This is a brown shade. Yeah, good contour shade. Not contour shade, eye contour shade, but this is perfect for me when it comes to like blush and so forth, because I don't really use blush. Then I'm going to go in with that shade on my lids, just going to add a little color and so forth. I could have used the same shade that I used on my cheeks from the Saharan palette, but I was just like, trying to be extra. And you can see I'm using my toothbrush. This was supposed to be the toothbrush that I would I was supposed to use to do my edges and so, but I decided no edges. Oh my gosh, I don't even have edges. What am I talking about? Anyway, so these are the three colors that we're going to add under the eyes, because we were trying to get rid of that white looking thing. we just went ham, and we always have to do a flash test just to make sure that when we're taking photos in the evenings, it'll look great. Did a little contour on my nose, added some mascara, put some lip gloss on, and that's it. I'm gonna come to you with the finished look now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, guys, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, and let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Like, guys, leave a comment if you really like this video. Okay, see you in the next one.